Good morning guys! Nandito ang AngbisayasaAlemanya and today I'm going to teach you how to use live streaming sa mga hindi pa nakakuha ng 1,000k using your phone. So, ang dapat niyong gawin is, if you have iPhone, kasi iPhone ang gamit ko before, I'm not sure kung okay ba to sa, or available ba to sa ibang kind of cell phone. So I'm using iPhone, so I'm going to teach you how to stream even if you still have under 1,000k subscribers. So this one. So I'm going to push this one. So punta tayo sa App Store. Of course, App Store, it's very important to have the App Store kasi yan talaga ang kailangan natin para magda-download tayo. So, of course, we are going to search. You search, ang pangalan ng app is Live for YouTube. Ayan. So, I tested already ito for a long time ago. Since one time o two times, hindi pa ako naka 1K. So, I hope it can help you out. So, this one, I'm going to download this one. I'm going to download. Naka-download na siya before because na-use ko na siya before. Then, I erase it because I'm already up to, wala na, marami na kasi akong subscribers. So, before I use this one, yung under 1K pa ako. Because this live streaming is directly to the YouTube. So, ito yung gagawin, ida-download nyo siya. So, we are waiting until it finished, then open. Ayan. Kasi automatic na siya. So, for your live, you can allow your access your phone, access the microphone, access your camera. So, ganyan na. Okay. And then, sa upper part, you can use the option. Kasi may option to. Parang Facebook yata yung isa. Tapos, so, I'd rather use my YouTube kasi yun ang ginagamit ko for live streaming. And of course, dito, pwede mo siyang, of course, you can turn up mas. Pwede siyang magde-decorate sa mga turn off kasi ito. So, pwede mo siyang ganyan. Ito, isi-setting. So, i-on. Pwede mo siyang i-on. So, you can live YouTube. Pwede mo siyang ila-live. Tapos, you can go for foreign means Vita or proceed, continue. So, nakalagay live to YouTube. You can also, when you say, okay, go for foreign, you can you can log in your account from Google. So, that's all. So, after this one, you can go live. You can say, okay, this is my account. You can do like that. You can go, and after, it's automatic already. So, babalik tayo kasi hindi naman ako magla-live. So, only YouTube live. Kasi naka-off na dito kasi hindi na ako nag-live. So, you can make it on. It's automatic. Pwede kayong mag-live sa Facebook, of course. And of course, you can go also for emojis. Kasi yung emojis ko naka-turn off. So, I cannot go on. So, pwede mo siyang i-off lahat. I-on. You just read kasi parang English to kasi. And of course, you have also here a quality control, display video, captured higher. So, marami kang options din. Same as normal YouTube. Tapos dito pwede kang mag-create ng title or pangalan. You can choose first ang Bisaya. Lagay natin ang pangalan ko. So, like that. Done. So, nakalagay na yung name mo kung sino ka. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-on like this. Hello, yan, nandyan na siya. Of course, diyan mo makikita yung sarili mo if you want to go live. So, yan lang siya. Pinaka-easier video app na pwede mo, or live stream app na pwede mong i-apply if you are still 1,000k under. So, yan lang tayo magtatapos. Of course, very easy. You can do it in your phone. So, that's what I'm done with this. So, sana makahelp ako sa inyo, sa mga baguhan natin na wala pang 1K. You can try this app, of course. And, salamat sa lahat. And see you next time. Enjoy. Bye.